Hey everybody, Kevin back for another video. Hope you are all doing well. We're continuing going through track by track on the Nightwish album, Human Nature. And we're on to track 4, which is named Harvest. First time listen, not heard this album before. Listen to the previous 3 songs, of course, enjoying it so far. And let's see how this one goes. So everyone, if you don't mind giving the video a little thumbs up and subbing to the channel if you enjoy what you see. If you don't, leave a comment in the video and let me know what I can do differently or something else you want me to react to. So let's get right into it with Nightwish Harvest.
Will come, tiny valorous straw, among the millions facing to the sun. I will pause before a man whose path has just begun. Something unsung now comes. The quaternary code gave mankind a rose, so we could see the beautiful die. Strange piece of stone hovers over crops, and a child's face aglow before the sight. Join the harvest of 100 fields, hearty and tame, all going back to one single grain. Offer light to the coming day, inspire a child. Water the fields, surrender to the earth. Water the fields, surrender to the earth. Water the fields, surrender to the earth.
Just going to pause it there. Apologies. Okay, this was not what I was expecting at all. To you guys who say that they are diverse, I like diversity, and even in one album, like, as you know, I'm a massive Radiohead fan. So I like one track to the next that you don't expect what to get. This one has surprised me. I'm not sure. Let me know who's singing the vocals on this one. So far, I'm not a fan of the melody, and it seems, yeah, it's a quite a strange one to wrap my head around. This song, I think this will probably need me to take a couple of listens to really get into what the song is, why it's structured this way, but yeah, it's taken me a little bit by surprise, this song so far. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm not sure where it's going to go after this, so at least it's going to give me a surprise.
They have beauty beyond the poetry, but choose a silent misery. The deeper the sea, the less remains. They'll find the pretty words and tame flocks to herd. There's that sort of arousal of dead. Join the harvest of 100 fields, hearty and tame, all going back to one single grain. Offer light to the coming day, inspire a child. Water
Sorry to pause that mid solo. I just want to comment on this so far. The guitar playing is very competent. It's a nice guitar, and I like. They brought in a piano as well. Some really nice piano riffs. It's got a Celtic feel to it. I know, being Scottish, and some of my family are Irish, that the structure of the song, the chord changes, and some of the changes in structure do have a Celtic feel, like an old school folk music from Ireland and Scotland years and years ago. So it has that feel to it. But so far, yeah, it's an interesting, definitely an interesting way to go, considering where the first 3 songs on the album were. But anyway, let's give the last 1 minute or so a go and see where it goes. I like the piano at the end there. That was nice. Yeah, it's certainly a different way to go, a different feel to that song. To be honest, it's not really for me. It was probably verging on the too folk pop music side for my liking. The lyrical content was quite interesting, but the melody and the style of guitars, especially the acoustic guitar, yeah, it just was not for me. I prefer the first 3 songs on the album way more than this. But anyway, we're going through the album, every track, and I'll give my honest opinion. So for that one, yeah, it's not really a song would really grasp my attention and listen to that again. I don't think so. But anyway, everyone, thank you for the support. We'll go on to the next track, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye bye.